Now, it's Friday Night Live.
Yes, it is. Greetings, everybody, and welcome into a new season of Friday Night Live. What a way to get things started. A slew of rivalry games tonight in Green Country, but of course the centerpiece, well, it's only the best high school football rivalry in all the country. Jenks versus Union. 8 of the last 10 games they've played decided in the final minute. We had more of the same tonight. To Chapman Stadium we go. The Redskins, of course, 4-time defending state champions, have won 6 of 8 against Jenks. But Trayvon Bray, he's looking to change all that. First quarter, the Trojan speedster gets outside, and he gone. 35-yard house call, make it 7-0 Boys of Troy. But, you know, it wouldn't be Union Jenks without one of these. Ensuing kickoff, that's Caleb Cornegay, and he done R-U-N-N-O-F-T. Are you kidding me? They always do this. 85-yard touchdown return, and just like that, we are tied at 7. 2 huge plays back-to-back, but most of the night it was a defensive slugfest. Tied at 7 here in the 4th. Jenks fumbles, the bad exchange, Alexander and Beret. OU commit Dalton Rodriguez recovers. Oh, my goodness. Reminiscent of the fumble by Broken Arrow that gave Union a state title last December. 1 play later, the Redskins cash it in. Silman with your game-winning touchdown. Go ahead and call it Redskins magic. How do these kids keep doing this? Unbelievable. Union 14, Jenks 7. Union has now won 4 straight state titles and 4 straight wins over their biggest rival as well. Yet again, the Backyard Bowl delivers in unexpected ways. For more, we're going to send it out to 11th and Harvard and the man who called this game, Big Al Jerkins, with the post.
Caden, thank you very much. I don't know if we expected a defensive battle, but it was refreshing to see a few tackles being made every once in a while. It was really a back-and-forth game. Both teams managed to get it to midfield, but then the drives would sputter out offensively. Jenks had 268 yards. Union had 266. Penalties playing a major part in this game, but that one turnover by Jenks deep in their own territory. Who knows, if we didn't have that fumble, we may still be playing this football game. But Union somehow, someway wins this one 14-7. First game of the season, I think both teams suffered a little bit in that opening day jitters, but it was still a well-played football game. Both defenses really played well in this one, and Union wins it by a touchdown. Caden?